Cheers to your health. Get the best quality bone broth protein, whey protein, and other supplements made in the USA. No fillers, nothing bad in there. Free range, grass-fed, hormone-free, soy-free, grain-free, gluten-free. This is the best stuff you're going to find. Discount link and free shipping below. Wow. So good. Improve your diet. Just the one mushroom, lion's mane, is the most researched mushroom that there ever has been right now. So get on it, click the link, and get your Neuro Effect mushroom supplement. It will help you. Subscribe here, search mushrooms on this channel. You can snack smarter, and these beef sticks are super high quality. I also like the variety of flavors. Summer sausage, original teriyaki jalapeno, garlic summer sausage. Of course, there's room for expansion. This is a good product range right here. But let's open it up and see what's actually in the package. Let's start right here with the original. And the first thing that I notice is peel here to open. Okay, some of the competitors out there don't open like this. It's just so easy. It just pulls right apart. So let's see what's inside here. We got this beautiful sausage. There's no liquid. It's just natural beef casing. Yeah, looking good. Let's take a closer look and see. By the way, there's 6 grams of protein in each of these little beauties, and it's a natural casing. I like those things right there. Okay, so 100% grass-fed beef. Now let's, ooh, it smells so good. Let's get into the middle of it here. So I want to see exactly what we're looking at in the center. Here we go. Minimal fat. I like that. And nice and lean. All right, let's take a taste. Wow, delicious. Really, really good. The ingredients are clearly listed on the back right there. 100% grass-fed beef, first ingredient. That's important. Everything's clearly listed. There is little stickers telling you what's going on right here. Gluten-free, soy-free, no MSG. It's got all the information about it. Naturally fermented beef stick right there. Okay, so a few of the things that I really like about this is the packaging is superior over the others that I've seen and tried. It's clearly labeled. It's gluten-free, no MSG. I like to support companies that are USA, and this is the stuff right here. Tender, but anyway, follow along. Here we go. The cast iron pan's nice and hot now. I'm gonna put some of this extra virgin olive oil right in the pan like that. Oh yeah. Take those in. Oh yeah. You see that? That's exactly what I'm looking for right there. A nice sear Beautiful color. And now I'm going to take them out in just a moment, let them rest. The same cutting board. A quick wipe, nice and dry already. Large onion, this is one of the sweet ones. Here we go. All right, now, keep your fingers roll back. Here we go. Quite often I win the speed test. Half onion, just like that, and repeat. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. Using the same pan, a little more oil in there. The garlic goes in. Oh yeah, look at that. It's after 5 minutes. I've got some really nice color on them onions. Just what I'm looking for. They're almost there. Of course, we're going to do a quick flambe. I've got 2 ounces of very expensive brandy. So we're just going to give this a little tilt like so. Yeah, and the alcohol cooks right up. Okay, some fresh herbs like a big sprig of rosemary and thyme would be beautiful, but I don't have any today. No worries. Got the next best thing right here. What do we got here? A tablespoon of herbes de Provence. Look at that lavender. That goes right in like that. And to finish cooking the onions as well as deglaze, one more time. This will be a reduction deglaze happening right here in the pan. Oh yeah, just like that. Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah, bone-in ribeye. Whoa, looking really nice. Make sure to check out your sponsor below. There's some links. Some of the pans are on sale. Cast iron not only has the longevity, but it's actually good for you, for your diet. No toxic coatings, won't scratch up. Basically made to last and then give away or inherited. It's really, really nice. As the chicken's ready, it gets removed from the pan. You'll know when it's ready. The larger pieces are not quite done. This one's beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, I got some nice color happening there. Chicken goes back in. The finished chicken after about 20 minutes, looking really good. A touch of pan juices. Oh yeah. Oh yes, cast iron again. Good for your health. And wow, so easy to cook on. Hello, Chef here with another beef chuck roast. Oh yeah, nice and hot. Exactly what I'm looking for. Now for the next steps, you need to subscribe and search beef roast. You're going to find a bunch of them on the channel. Okay, it's starting to brown. Just like that, we flip it over. And that right there is the color I'm looking for. Oh, yeah. Ah, the finished beef roast, looking really good. A couple of potatoes and a little bit of basil. Oh, crispy Cajun garlic chicken thighs. Be sure to search the recipes. Oh, it's going to be good. Cast iron marinated chicken breast, caramelized onions, eggplant parmesan, marinara reduction, a little bit of fresh greens on there. Oh, yeah. Ah, the finished potato right out of the oven. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm using a cutting board with a juice groove. That's recommended. Check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Get the best butcher block made. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm using one of these Staub Dutch ovens today, and yeah, it's gonna be really, really nice. Excellent heat transfer, heavy duty cast iron. Wow. Oh yes, cast iron again. Good for your health, and wow, so easy to cook on. A little bit of fresh greens on there. Oh. American dark walnut, custom sizes. Contact sponsor. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. This is where all the flavor lies, right here on the tip of this knife. There's more in the bean, of course, but this is the good stuff right here, and I wanted you to be aware of this and where to get it. You might want to make your own vanilla extract. You might be doing some creme brulees, soufflés, cakes, desserts, meringues, or whatever have you. This is the best you're going to get right there. Wow! Okay, once again, I got the vanilla going on.